Hello everyone, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of this new 2024 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. Literally just came off the truck. Hasn't even been prepped yet. This is an amazing vessel from Boston Whaler. This one has the new V10 400 Mercuries on it. Underwater lights, full hardtop, standard dive door. Great cockpit. You can do a little bit of everything with this boat. Fish it, dive it, cruise it, overnight. With a great seating arrangement. All those bench seats fold up when you're fishing or if you want more room. Optional barbecue that slides out when you're not using it. This one has the hardtop on it with the sure shade. This is an air-conditioned helm on the boat. Take a quick look. Little wet bar here with a refrigerator. Again, standard dive door. How beautiful is that? Boat also has a generator, which is going to be down in the engine compartment here. And it does have the optional table back here, I can see. All JL audio equipment. Live well standard over here in the aft corner. This back seat here is reversible, so you can sit aft as well. Beautiful helm seat. Companion seat, which turns into a lounge. Dual Simrad 12-inch GPSs with radar. This has the Mercury Joystick Piloting system, DTS controls. You do have side windows in it that you can close up when you want. The protection or to keep the air conditioning in. Also has some nice electric vents to get some fresh air in here. Again, boat hasn't even been prepped yet, but I'll give you a view of the cabin here. Fully equipped galley. V-berth, beautiful wood table that can be also in a down position to make that a full bed. Boat also has the optional television here. With microwave in this kitchen as well. You have a full mid-cabin back here, so it's actually a full double bed. And you have a beautiful vacuum flush toilet, full stand-up head and shower. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Boston Whaler dealer here in South Florida. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Give you a quick view of our beautiful marina here. Thanks for watching.